Okay, I'm gonna show you how to install Windows 7 on VirtualBox. Okay, kind of nervous. I forget how to talk, how to call the things. Okay, so first of all, you call your user. In my case, gonna be this one, and then you type your password. Then here, I like to put some values like 4K or 4 gigabytes, if you will. And then processors, I like to use 4 at least, since I'm using Windows 7. Okay, and that's the operating system I'm installing. Then for the hardware, oh yeah, this is it. And for the hard disk, I'm just gonna leave it like so, and then finish. Okay, then it starts installing Windows 7, loading the files and everything. Okay, then we just wait and wait, and it starts the setup. In this step, we don't have to put or type anything like the user, since we already did it, and we don't have to type any password or anything like that. I know what's the goal. Was talking about the license. Okay, you don't have to put the license key or anything like that. Just waiting. And at this point, I think I'm just gonna stop recording, and then gonna keep recording after it finished.